how weird this was to do?
And you've done it multiple times in this interview, is adding sound effects.
Oh, yeah. Oh, this was a long
Alright,
time
so
ago.
punch sounds and like a fight scene.
I'm
You
rolling.
went deep. See how weird this was to do?
I'm gonna pass out.
I remember doing that, dude. And Andrew was like, wow, that was actually awesome. I was like, yeah, that was pretty good, wasn't it? I've always loved sound effects, man.
Dude, I bought your sound pack.
Oh, nice.
Love it.
That's pretty amazing.
Yeah, I remember that video. What are your top 3 favorite sound effects, if you could do them live?
I wouldn't say there's like a go-to. I used to do like a helicopter a lot, like a. But it was like, when it's coming down, I used to love that. Like the punch sounds, obviously, always just, those are always really good. But yeah, I love mimicking a sound. If I hear something, I'll be like, oh, that was good. What was that? What was that? Or how would you make a sound if you were filling up a glass of water? Like, what would that sound like?